Okay, so I was messing around with Shadowdark in Roll20. I did a lot of searching and tried to learn some things, and I think I come up with a way that can help, even though we don't have a compendium. So I made a folder here. You can see on the Roll20 side here, I made a folder called Monsters, and then I created this animated armor, and I've got it. I was able to import the stat block from the PDF file, which I know you have the book. You own the book. So uh, you should be able to do this for any monster you want to use. I don't know which ones you want, so I don't know which ones you need. But I'm going to walk you through how I did it, and hopefully it'll work for you. Um, so you'll do a new character. Okay. Who knows where it puts this thing? Peb, Ubo, whatever. You can drag it into that monsters folder like that. And then you're going to want to edit this by clicking the gear right here where it says Sheet Options. That will take you to, okay, now it's not working. There we go. That'll take you to here where you normally would import a character. But there's an option here to click NPC Sheet, Show NPC Description. And even right here, I noticed this before. That's what made me think this was possible. It says copy and paste a monster stat block from official Shadowdark PDF, or B, exported Shadowdarkling's JSON below, which is what we were doing for the character sheets. So then I went to the PDF. I'll bring that up on this side here. And I found this animated armor, and I copied and pasted that in. So I'll just try to find something that you might want to use. I don't know. Onkeg. So for whatever reason, this wouldn't copy in. Let me try that again. Yeah, there we go. So that worked. And then horse size, roast round, whatever. So you copy all of this. And it looks like level is the last thing. Oh, yeah, there's nothing more. There's no, like some of them have things like thick fur, cold immune. But this doesn't have anything like that. It just ends on level 3. So nothing special, I guess. So copy that and paste it in. Then confirm. And then instead of hitting the import Shadowdarkling's JSON, click import monster text from book. And kablamo. There it is. Onkeg. Onkeg. Movement. Near. Burrow. Description is there. Level 3. Neutral. All the stats are here, and you'll notice they match the book. Strength 2, Dex plus 2, all of that matches what's in the book. I don't know if that's helpful to you or not. I hope it is. Armor class is there, hit points is there. All of its attacks, acid spray, bite, bam, right there. Okay, then another thing I did, actually this is even more handy, is it's got, well, yeah, I don't know how I'll do it. I'll try it the way I did it before. So Onkeg, um, now we want to try and get a token for it. So I click Edit here. Okay, that brings you to this page. Then I brought up Chrome, and you'll see I put Shadowdark Animated Armor Token, and I just found a random picture here. So let's do Shadowdark Onkeg. I'm probably not saying that correct. I don't know how you pronounce that. Looks like Onkeg to me. And a search. Okay, well, these aren't as pretty, but, oh, I don't know, kind of cool. Kind of like this one. Now, I was able to actually just drag, and you can see I'll just drag it over here and drop it in. Of course, I know you don't have two monitors, so maybe this might be difficult for you. But there it is. Dropped the token right in for you. Bam. Another one. Takes a minute to load. Bam. Done. Save changes. And now you have an onkeg. Alright. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.